Okay, guys.
Cheers.
Taking a little break. Getting a drink.
Pencil right here, Izzy.
Dr. Pepper.
You're gonna flip the table over, honey.
The Dr. Pepper.
Put it between Zion and Mason and make sure to put it down a little. And I ordered 2 large fries, you guys. They'll be here.
Mason and Owen both got Pepsis.
Stop putting on the table, Izzy.
Taking a little break.
Yes, when they come.
Put it right here.
We're taking a little break.
Starting up his vlog too. Once again, down below, go subscribe to Mason, Bloodshot Gaming.
Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on notifications.
Give me a shout out. About to get some fries too.
5 likes. We ordered 2 large fries. They're going to be here in a minute. And yeah. Izzy, you got anything to say?
How you doing, Owen? You enjoying your cola? Yummy. Ask Mom.
Are you going to record me go?
Yeah, I'll probably record you go. Somehow my camera gained battery life.
Sometimes my phone does that.
It's weird. That's the scoreboard.
My turn.
No, we're taking a little break. We don't have to do it right now. We're taking a little break. We don't have to go right now. Scoreboard.
If Izzy beats me, I'm actually going to win.
Mason has 39. I have 53. Owen has 18. Zoe has 23. And Izzy has 28.
I'm the last place. I suck.
Don't say that.
This is the scoreboard so far. Zion's in third. I'm in second. Wait, no, Zion has 55. I have 53. I have 39. Owen has 18. Zoe has 23. Owen has 28.
Izzy's score just raised by 1 point. We're 29 now.
You're ready, Zion?
Pretty fun though. Time is it? 7:51. Almost 8 o'clock. Wow.
I got a spare.
It's my turn. Let's head down. I just fell. I was expecting that ledge. My score raised to 59. Going back to get a drink.
I'm making Owen like all my videos.
Why?
He always dislikes my videos.
Make him like all my videos. Mason, after you're done, you know who to do next, okay?
Okay.
I'll see you when the fries are here, guys.